everyone, I'm Helen from Tri Dental. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing video of our oral endoscope. It's one of our best-selling products. Let's have a look. Let's see what's inside. An endoscope, a CD for installation, an instruction manual, and 50 protective covers. Install the protective cover to ensure hygiene and make the endoscope last longer. It has 6 white LED lights, allowing for clear imaging. If you need to save the images, you can use the CD to install the software. It can be connected to a computer and the images can be saved. Let's take a look at how to install the software. Download the software in the CD. After the installation is completed, then it's ready to use. Connect the endoscope to the computer. After create the patient file, press Start to take pictures. If you want more information or want to buy other dental equipment, just let us know in the comment section. We are Tri Dental. Better dental equipment, fewer dollars. It's that simple. Thank you for your watching.